What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and as you can see, different location again, actually in Orlando right now, and I figured I'd do this video right here. This is the Spigen Glas TR Easy Fit. So just how easy is it to fit one of these things? We're going to find out in this video right here, right now. So let's head over to the phone and I'll set you up on the, what I like to call the vacation tripod. Check that picture out right here. But of course, let's just get into the video, guys. Let's see how easy it actually is to fit one of these. By the way, I am shocking at fitting screen protectors. That's why my wife does it. Let's go. Right, okay, so first of all, here's the iPhone 11 Pro Max with an already tempered glass screen protector on it, as well as the iPhone leather case. But it's got a tempered glass screen protector on now. It's scratched to bits, and it's not because of something I done. It's how it was delivered to me, and we're coming away. Obviously I want to protect the screen if it's going to get thrown into the bag when going through security and stuff. So it's actually got one on. We're going to take that off right now, see what's in the box of this one, and see just how easy it is to actually fit it. So let's take it out of its case. As you can see, space grey iPhone 11 Pro Max. So screen protector's on. Let's peel it off. There you go. As you can see, there's the one that I had on it. It is absolutely filthy and covered in scratches, this one, so I'm quite happy this one's gone. Let's take a look at what's in the box first, of what you get, and then we'll jump into just how easy it is to fit. So you just peel the top from there with a little tab. So you take that off and then you, there we go, that's how empty, as you can see. So you get your instructions. You get one screen protector, another lot of instructions, then your second screen protector in case you ever need it. So I'm going to put this to one side, and this will be in case anything ever goes wrong with the one that's on it. So this is going to one side. Okay, and then you get a little pouch, and inside the little pouch, microfiber cleaning cloth. How to remove bubbles if you scan the QR code, and obviously it shows you on there using the squeegee. This is a very nice rubberized squeegee from Spigen. That's nice. Then you get two lots of dust removal stickers, so obviously you get two lots of protectors, so this one we need. Then you get your lens screen cleaner wipes. Now, although these are probably absolutely superb and just fine, I actually use the Zeiss cleaning wipes. So I'm going to use one of my own Zeiss ones to clean it rather than using that one. I'll use that for something else. These are absolutely fantastic, by the way, for cleaning all kinds, screens, lenses, glasses that I wear, computer screens, you name it. These guys do it all. But I'm going to rip one of these off. I'm going to use one of these. So there's your screen protector, and basically, as you can see, you've got press and slide rows across the middle. Fits over the entire phone, and that's why you're going to press and slide to obviously put that on there. First off, let's clean. You need to make sure you remove any type of dirt and dust particles that get on there, otherwise the screen protector will bubble up and you'll end up with weird bubbles all over the screen. So there's that. That's effectively clean. Then you get your dust removal sticker. So you peel off from the top, fold it over like so, and just dab down the screen of where you've got maybe little dust particles. Next up, what you've got is, as you can see, a slot right here, number one, to remove the film off the front. So you remove the film and then place this over the phone itself. So if we remove the film, now as I said, I am absolutely terrible at fitting screen protectors. My wife always does it for me. We're going to see just how easy this is for a novice like myself. And then you press and slide, apparently. So press and slide. Then it says wait for 30 seconds. And then what you do is you get the little pull tab at the bottom that says remove from here. After you've waited your 30 seconds, so then you remove from this point right here. And then I'm assuming you take this off like so. And just in case you've got any little bubbles, you just get your squeegee and go across the top of this like so. Now guys, remember what I said, I am absolutely shocking when it comes to fitting screen protectors. So basically you get these tabs at the top and you just start peeling, and we'll see just how good it really is. So let's peel it off. throw that to one side. Then you just get your little microfiber cloth and give it a good wipe over, just to check any, obviously, for scratches and any bumps or anything like that may be on the screen that you never seen when you were setting it up. And the beauty of this obviously is because it doesn't go edge to edge like some, you can fit any case because it doesn't actually go anywhere near the edges. So as you can see, there's the cutout. Screen protector's fitted absolutely perfectly. No bumps, no residue, nothing left, no awkwardness. Perfect, guys. So everyone, that shows you just how easy it is to fit one of these Spigen screen protectors. The instructions are really easy. It looks absolutely fantastic on the phone. There's no gaps and perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. If you loved it, subs up. I'll leave the link for the Spigen Glas TR screen protector in the description down below this video for you guys to check out. I'll leave it for every other phone that they do. Link down below. If you use my Amazon affiliate link, it doesn't cost you any extra, and obviously I just get a little kickback from it. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you all really soon.